Hello, grade 5. So you are now watching part 2 of the support video for week 1 Thursday's DLR activity. So where was I? Okay, the next thing I wanted to talk about was the word or words that and there. The words that and there both informs people about the location of things, right? And they have similar meaning. However, there is a rule regarding how and when we can use the word that, and how and when we use the word there. For example, let's look at the sentence, can you get that there apple? Can you get that there apple? What do you think about this sentence? Well, this sentence is actually incorrect because the words that and there, right? That and there are both informing the same thing, and we don't need to use both of those words. Instead of saying, "Can you get that there apple?" we could say, "Can you get that apple?" Can you get that apple? We can just take out the word there because the word that is already informing where the apple is. Or if you really want to use the word there, we can say, can you get the apple there? Can you get the apple there? Can you get the apple there? So the lesson here is we don't really use the words there and that together in the sentence. Okay, or we just don't use them next to each other, like can you get that there apple, right? We don't use that in there besides each other, really. Okay, oftentimes we can just use one and we can still say what we want to say, and we're actually saying it more correctly that way. Okay. All right, lastly I want to talk about the word syllables. Whoops. Well, I want to talk about the word syllables. Honestly, I think that many people find it difficult to understand what syllables are. Okay, well, syllables are kind of like parts of a word. So syllables are like parts of a word. And to find out or check how many syllables there are in a word, okay, gently put your hand under your chin like this. Like this. Okay? So, to check how many syllables there are in a word, okay, you can put your hand under your chin gently, okay, gently. You don't need to push your hand up onto your chin. Just make sure the top of your hand is just gently touching your chin. Then say the word clearly and slowly. The number of times your chin pushes your hand down is the number of syllables that word has. So this is like a way you can check or find out how many syllables there are in a word. Okay, so I'll get rid of this picture here now. All right. So, for example, how many syllables does the word student have? Check. Okay, so everybody put your hand under your chin. Please put your hand under your chin gently. Okay, make sure your chin is touching the top of your hand, just very gently. Okay, and let's clearly, okay, and slowly say the word student. Student. Ready? student. One more time. Student. How many times did your chin kind of push down your hand? Okay. I think my hand was pushed down 2 times. So the word student has 2 syllables. So for number 5, you need to circle the words that have 3 syllables. Now everyone, note how the question says words and not word. Okay? All right. Well, that's all I wanted to say about talk about week 1 Thursday's DLR activity. Good luck and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.